Good morning, guys. It's AT though. What's up, you guys? It's Godrock's phone. What you guys been doing? Especially doing anything that well. Right now, I am taking my computer apart because this is not gonna be here anymore. It's gonna be downstairs. So I'm just making sure everything's gonna be good. Shutting down the computer. Just cleaning up some stuff with Dad's help. Shut down. Make sure it's its job. But it's gonna be fun and really exciting. That we get to do something like that today. So Dad's helping us get organized. So that's what we're doing. So just take this bowl downstairs so I don't forget. And clean up some mess so we can clean up a little bit and get things organized. So that's what we are doing.
So right now, you guys, we are just taking a break. I will show you guys before and after when we get everything done. I will show you guys before and after pictures. We are going to, I don't know where we're going for lunch, but Dad and me and Rachel's going for lunch, so that's...
I just woke up and I did laundry.
Yeah, she did a little bit of laundry, but that's okay. It's something, so that's what we are doing. So we are going to explore the house, you guys, so that's what we are doing. So we got done most of the house. We still have to do some more cleaning tonight, but we are gonna cook up dinner for Dad and us. So that's what we're doing. I'm cooking up some steak, and then Rachel's cooking up corn on the cob. So that's what we are kind of doing. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. So that's what we are doing. Hey guys, we are going swimming, so that's what we are doing. So talk to you guys when we are done swimming. Guys, look how clean it is, you guys. It looks so good. My dad and me cleaned, and Rachel did too a little bit. So look how clean it is. It's really good. Look how clean it is. It's really organized. The upstairs is not done yet, but I can show you guys how cleanliness this is. I'm gonna show you guys my office now, because this is gonna be my new office. I will show you. This is gonna be my new office. I'm just setting up my computer. This is gonna be my new and improved office. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with some stuff, but bear with me. This is gonna be my new office now. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and
bye.
No. So subscribe. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and
we cleaned our house.
Yeah. So that's what we did. So just part of the downstairs, but you guys see the before and after picture.
To Garrett's dad for keeping us on track today.
So that's what we did. Bye.
Bye.